What's up guys, welcome to How Much YouTube channel. This is the Unitree Go-To Robot Dog. It's amazing, I've seen videos of it online. I had to get one for myself. I'm gonna unbox it, show you how to set it up. This is my first time even seeing this robot. And it's basically an industrial robot you can buy for your house. And we're gonna see what can we do with it. It's mainly going to be used for marketing for me to make cool videos, but I also want to try to get used to robots around the house. I think this is something we're going to do. We're going to pick heavy metal robots, move them around, set them up. We're going to do this in our lifetime, so why not do it now? If you want to grab one, go to Unitree, and the link is below in the description of the video where you can get one for yourself if you want to. It's starting to become affordable at around $1,600 for something like this. And it's heavy. So I'm excited for this. I'm just gonna unbox it with you guys and set it up and see what happens. I think the future is robots in your house, and I think they will be commercialized, like it will be low cost, and it will be something you can do yourself. Now this is super heavy. It weighs like 30 or 40 pounds. All right, looks like a briefcase with some Velcro. Okay. Wow. Here it is. It has a handle. So let's see what's in the box. We have instructions with a USB-C cable. We got the charger for the battery. And, oh, we got the 4 extra feet, spare feet, if we break them. Okay. We also got a mount here you put together. It's just like a thing you put like this. You can make it stand on it, okay? So a little plastic simple thing that you put your thing here, your robot dog here. And I want to thank Unitree for working with me. I bought this robot myself, but we're working together, and I hope I can show you guys their product, how to use it, so you can get one for yourself, have a good time. So yeah, all right, let's tear this out, take it out. See what we got here. Oh, it's a lot bigger than I thought. Damn. It's a very big thing. Okay. Its feet is kind of loose like this, but I can feel some resistance, like there's a motor or something inside. And I have to take those out. So cool, it's moving like this and like that. It has a lot of different joints. All right, so we got that going. I think the next step now is to charge it and follow the instructions here. All right, this is the charger, and it also came with this calibration tool that I'm going to use to make sure it's calibrated. The legs are correct. It's pretty big. Yeah, it's a big battery. It feels like a huge drone, but without the propellers. It's like a drone that walks on the floor. I feel like that's the most accurate description of this thing. It's like buying a DJI drone that walks on the floor. Yeah, don't say DJI. It's like a robot on the floor that instead of flying, you walk around with it. Yeah, and I think that's what this is. And we have a battery here. It's empty, so I have to charge it full before we continue. So I'm gonna go do that. All right, guys, so I got a new battery. Unfortunately, the original battery didn't work out, but they have an amazing customer service at the Unitree. They gave me a new battery. Here is the remote control. This is how I control it, and Let me show you guys a few features here. First, you see if I move it around, it will stay where it is. It's very adaptive. It's like it has an AI capability, so it's not gonna fall down. Now, I'm on running mode right now, so I'm gonna show you how it runs, okay? It needs a lot of space to run. If you recognize something, it will stop. Here you go. All right, so it can also do other things too, right from the box. I can do jump forward. And that's kind of fun. I also have a leash mode where if I have a leash on him, I can carry him around with me and he will just follow me anywhere I go. See, that's pretty nice. You can also roll around like a dog. That's kind of cool. He has a couple of dances. I like this dance. This is a pre-set up dance. I just click one button and it just does its little thing. Very cool. So that was the little dance. And it can also do other things, like it can greet you. I'm going to do that in front of the camera. You can also do a handshake, like that. Give you a handshake. I can also tell it to lay down like this. And also kind of go down on the floor, stand back up. They also have other option called pose. I really like that one. That one really controls everything. Like, look at that. I can really bend it around and move it around. Really cool. Can really show the movement of it. So the update is finished. I started walking around with it already, but that's fine. I started again. We're gonna see what it can do. It does take a few minutes to start. Okay, so I'll show you guys the controls. So I can see the live video and I can see the world around it. This one can go forward and backwards. All right, so this is my first review of the Unitree Go 2 Robot Dog. I really like that I can control everything from my phone, and it's very heavy to move around, but once you set it up, it's easy to like walk it anywhere you want. And I think it will be great product for me to use for social media and to use it for shows and things like that to promote my products and Bitcoin, which is great. So the robot is called Satoshi. That's the name of the robot. So if you like content like this, if you like robots, if you like crypto, subscribe to watch more videos like this. And comment below, what do you think about this robot dog? And what do you want me to do with it? So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.